Mapung Phana Chaoraba slow lorries among ngasi Chandel Forest Division ge DFO Dr N Munal amadi staff sing na Kallaba Matung Charangching ashongba mapham amada Thadokpikhre slow lorries adu mahausa gi punsida hinglunaba thadokpa aduda hakthengna yaukhiba DFO Dr N Munal na haikibada handak marak umang kokthorokpa amadi sabagi chang thangen hingalakpa asina maram oiraga lamlaki sa sing maru oina slow lorries sing yomlakta changlakpagi thawru kaya thokle masi aikhoina lamlaki thawai panba jibe singi leifamda khut thaduna mang takhan khiba sabagi chang hingalakpa amasung makhoigi machinjak ningthina fanglaktabagi khudamne asumna yumda amadi lekai da changlakpa lamlaki thawai panba jibe sing aikhoina hatpiroidabane makhoibu kanduna manak nakpa forest office ta sinabiu haina munal na makhatana phongdokhe.
Today we are going to release slow lorries, which scientific name is Nectibus benglensis. Actually, it was seized from a place at compartment number 1 of Charangching block, and now we are going to release it in compartment number 12 of Charangching same block. Actually, this is one of the endangered species, and this is nocturnal and also arboreal animal. So I think today when we release this animal at this very deep forest of this compartment, I will not disclose the exact place. It will really hope that this animal will be safe. So I appeal to everyone who finds such animals to enter to their home, street or locality, please save them and hand over to the forest department. Thank you.